Luxury large SUVs look amazing on the road, but behind the badge can be four-figure repair bills, steep depreciation, and very different ownership experiences. So today we're answering the real question buyers ask after the test drive: which luxury large SUV is actually worth owning, and which ones make more sense to buy used? Welcome back to Adore Autos, where we specialize in providing owner reviews for used cars. Today, we're breaking down the most popular luxury large SUVs, including the Cadillac Escalade, Lincoln Navigator, Mercedes-Benz GLS, BMW X7, and Lexus LX. We'll compare owner reviews, repair and maintenance costs, crash and safety ratings, nationwide sales, and which SUVs lose the most value and why used buyers love that. Sales volume matters. The more units sold, the easier it is to find used inventory, parts, and independent repair options. Nationwide luxury large SUV sales show a clear leader. Cadillac Escalade, the top-selling luxury large SUV in the US. BMW X7 is in strong second place. Third is the Mercedes-Benz GLS. Fourth is the Lincoln Navigator. And finally, the Lexus LX has the lowest volume but very loyal buyers. The Escalade's dominance matters if you're shopping used. It means more options, better pricing leverage, and greater nationwide repair familiarity. Luxury doesn't stop at the purchase price. According to RepairPal, here's what owners can expect annually. 1. Cadillac Escalade, around $1,000 per year. 2. Lincoln Navigator, slightly higher, around $1,080 per year. 3. BMW X7, just under $1,000 per year. 4. Mercedes-Benz GLS, roughly $900 to $950 per year. 5. Lexus LX, typically lower long-term costs compared to other luxury brands. These SUVs don't necessarily break more often, but when they do, repairs are larger, heavier, and more expensive. Suspension, brakes, tires, and electronics add up quickly. What people love and what they regret. Escalade owners consistently praise interior space, ride comfort, presence, and design. But owner reviews also mention high repair costs once out of warranty and concerns tied to GM platform complexity. Still, Escalade owners overwhelmingly say they love driving it and that emotional factor keeps sales strong. Navigator owners love the comfort-focused ride and quiet cabin. Common complaints include value for the price and long-term reliability concerns. Navigator buyers tend to prioritize comfort over performance. X7 owners frequently call it the best driving luxury large SUV, sporty, refined, and surprisingly agile. Complaints focus on expensive maintenance and technology complexity as vehicles age. GLS owners highlight premium interior, strong ride quality, and excellent tech integration. The biggest negative? Cost of ownership, especially after warranty expiration. LX owners buy for one reason: longevity. They praise build quality, reliability, reputation, and strong resale value. But they also complain about tight third-row space, less cargo room than competitors, and poor fuel economy. If you like breakdowns that combine owner reviews, real ownership costs, and safety data, make sure you subscribe to Adore Autos. It really helps the channel and keeps these deep dives coming. Safety testing for luxury large SUVs can be inconsistent, but here's what we know. The Cadillac Escalade generally receives 4-star overall NHTSA ratings, depending on the year. BMW X7 and Mercedes GLS, strong crash avoidance tech, but IIHS testing availability varies. Lexus LX, benefits from Toyota's safety engineering and strong real-world safety reputation. Always verify safety ratings for the exact year and drivetrain, and confirm that there are no open recalls before buying used. Luxury SUVs depreciate fast, and that's why the used market is so attractive. Lexus LX holds value the best. BMW X7 and Mercedes GLS retain moderate value. Cadillac Escalade depreciates faster, but that creates excellent used deals. Lincoln Navigator also sees steep early depreciation. This is why people buy used luxury SUVs. You get six-figure luxury for a fraction of the original price, as long as you budget for maintenance. Here's the quick takeaway. Best overall presence and resale demand. Cadillac Escalade. Best driving experience, BMW X7. Best luxury comfort. Mercedes-Benz GLS. Best long-term reliability. Lexus LX. Best comfort-first alternative. Lincoln Navigator. Luxury large SUVs offer incredible comfort and capability, but the smartest buy depends on how long you plan to own it and how much risk you're willing to accept. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to support Adore Autos. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.